I live here too. I'm not scared of you. I purposely walked by you in silence because you were sitting on the stairs, drunk and singing to yourself. I'm not gonna say excuse me to you. You're nothing to me. You are nothing to me. You're talking about what you did for me. You didn't do anything. You did not give me anything. You just held me back. You thought that I was gonna be better than you, huh? You thought that I was gonna be better than you. And mom is scared of you. I do not know how she can stand you. You constantly abuse her every chance you get. You know what? You keep on talking about how I have the devil in me. You put the devil in me. Now take it out. Take the devil you put in me out.